Tracking inbound leads with automation is a game changer for any business. And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Whether you're using it to streamline your sales process, follow up efficiently, or get real-time insights, automating your inbound lead tracking can save you a ton of time and effort. Stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer that'll let you try the software I recommend completely free just for watching this video. First off, let's talk about why automating inbound lead tracking is so important. When your leads come in through different channels, emails, forms, phone calls, or chatbots, you need a system that collects and tracks them all in one place. Otherwise, you risk missing out on potential sales or following up too late. Automation ensures that every lead gets the attention it deserves without you needing to manually track and enter data. Now, let's dive into the process. The first step is setting up your software to capture leads. This can be done through integration with your website, landing pages, or any other lead sources you're using. Most automation software allows you to easily connect with popular platforms like Google Forms, Facebook Ads, or your CRM. Once connected, every inbound lead is automatically captured and entered into your system. Next, let's talk about lead segmentation. Not all leads are created equal, and you'll want to automatically sort them based on criteria like interest level, location, or stage in the sales funnel. For example, if someone fills out a form asking for a consultation, they might need more personalized follow-up than someone who just downloaded a free resource. Your software can automatically tag and categorize these leads, so your follow-up efforts are always spot on. Once your leads are segmented, it's time to automate the follow-up process. This is where the real power of automation comes in. Instead of manually sending emails or making calls, set up an automated email drip campaign or follow-up sequence. This keeps your leads engaged while saving you time. The software can trigger emails based on actions your leads take. For example, when they open an email, click a link, or make a purchase. It's like having a personal assistant working 24/7. Another powerful feature is lead scoring. Lead scoring assigns a numerical value to each lead based on their behavior or demographics, helping you prioritize your follow-ups. For example, if a lead opens your email multiple times or interacts with your website, their score goes up and you know they're more likely to convert. Your automation software can track this and alert you to the hottest leads to focus on. Now, let's talk about tracking performance. With inbound leads coming in and follow-ups automated, you'll want to know how your campaigns are performing. The software will track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, giving you real-time insights into how your efforts are paying off. You can use this data to refine your strategy and optimize future campaigns. But why stop there? The software we're using today also helps you integrate all this data with your CRM, so you're not jumping between platforms. Everything from the initial lead capture to the final sale can be managed from a single dashboard. So, what's the key takeaway here? Automating inbound lead tracking doesn't just save you time, it ensures no lead slips through the cracks, and it lets you follow up efficiently and effectively. By capturing, segmenting, and scoring leads, automating your follow-up process and tracking performance, you'll close more sales with less effort. To recap, here's what you need to remember. Set up your lead capture, segment, and score your leads. Automate follow-ups, track performance, and integrate with your CRM. These steps will allow you to track inbound leads with automation and boost your business's efficiency. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software we've been using today, I've got an exclusive free trial available in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of this channel, so be sure to grab it while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.